Hi ladies, Shelli, Pelly, Annie Parker Confidential. Listen, I know that you've been following me and we've been on our get sugar out of our lives kick, right? I mean, sugar, as you know, it makes us fat, it makes us unhealthy, it ruins our skin. There's just no good reason to have it in our lives other than the fact that it tastes good, right? It tastes good. So I have found two amazing products that I really just wanted to share with you. I'm coming out with a sugar cleanse, 28-day sugar cleanse book in a couple months that you're gonna love. It's gonna have a ton of good recipes. This is one of the recipes, but I couldn't help myself. I need to share it with you now. This is, if you love pancakes and maple syrup, you're gonna love this. This is a low carb pancake waffle mix. It is plant-based, it's keto-friendly, gluten-free, high in fiber, and no sugar. So you think it's gonna be gross, it is not. I made it the other day and it is so good. That's why I wanted to pop on and share it with you. So I made banana walnut pancakes. You can make anything you want. And this is all that I did. Half a cup of the pancake mix, a quarter cup of water, an egg, teaspoon of coconut oil, and also add a little bit more water if it's not thick, if it's not thin enough for you. I did that. And then all I did is I chopped up half of a banana and I added it to the batter. That's it. Make it up like regular pancakes. And there you go. Now, for the maple syrup, you're gonna love this one too. They have this, it's a brand called Lakanto. It's a maple flavored syrup. There's no sugar in it. How do they make it sweet? It's flavored with monk fruit. So monk fruit is a fruit and it's very sweet and it's used in a lot of keto and diabetic recipes. So it smells like, it smells like maple syrup. It tastes like maple syrup. So you can pour, I sliced the other half of the banana and put it on here and sprinkled it with some almonds and a little cinnamon. So you can pour it on top. But I will tell you that here's what I found. It tends to soak into the pancakes too much for my taste. So all I do is I just put the syrup in a little bit of a container right here, and then you take a bite of it and you just dip it as you go. But these are delicious, super, super good. You need to try it. Okay, the second thing, and if you love chocolate, and who freaking doesn't love chocolate, right? You're gonna love these. A friend of mine, Sandy, you know who you are, introduced me to this brand called Chalk Zero. I am telling you, you will not know the difference. You will not know the difference. It's chocolate bar. This particular one is almonds and sea salt. It comes in this bag with these little packages, and you guys, seriously, I swear to God, it tastes no different than chocolate. It is also sweetened with monk fruit. Super good. So look, just because it's sugar-free doesn't mean it's a complete free-fall, like we can totally pig out. I'm talking more to myself. But for those times when you really just want something sweet and you don't want a piece of fruit, do you remember your mom saying, have an apple? I used to hate that. I go, no, I want chocolate. So these are really great in a pinch. 120 calories, 10 grams of fat, but like I said in my blog, it's not the fat that makes us fat, it's the sugar. And there's 0 sugar and 0 sugar alcohol in it. So you guys, this is great. Super good. If you want these and more great recipes, go to my blog, annieparkerconfidential.com. It's all about health, wellness, style, beauty, and stay in the loop for my 28-day sugar cleanse book. I hope you'll enjoy it. See you on the blog.